King? Are you ready to go home?
Yeah. No.
Work is almost over, summer's getting closer.
Hi mga Zoobs! Welcome back sa aming channel! I'm Diana. It's Andy. Wala lang. So, for this video mga Zoobs, this is our 4th day na maagang nagigising dahil yung 3 araw, school day, yung 1 araw, trial namin ni Andy para sa maagang paglalaro ng pickleball kasi nga magsa-start na siyang mag-training dahil meron na siyang napiling sa salihang international tournament para sa pickleball. So yan, training na to. And sa ngayon, kaming dalawa lang kasi for the last 3 days na nandito kami, kasama namin ang mga bata, especially si Mimi. Si Aliyah kasi, since Monday pa siya nag-start ng school. Si Mimi, today lang. Si King, tulog pa. Hindi na siya muna sasama. Kasi flight niya na bukas. Gusto niya mag-mall after this. Kaya sabi namin, sige.
Family time at the end of the day. Eh, maganda yung 10 a.m. Kahit minsan we're still quite sleepy actually. Especially me. But it's nice because we get to finish early so we can spend the rest of the day doing other things.
Sige na. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Oh, let's go. Tapos na kami. 1 hour early kasi walang pahinga.
Walang video evidence of your amazing cross-bow forehand.
All wins. All wins today. Aga tuloy namin natapos. Pagod na eh. Let's go. We're gonna head out and have lunch. Ha? Wala, naglalaro ulit si Kuya. Ah, sila.
Ay.
Uwi na kami. Hindi namin si
Ingat,
King.
leaving early. Coach! Ingat!
Aga kami alis. Kain kami, sunduin namin si King.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye po sa bahay.
My broken shoelace.
Nasira agad yung sapatos. Nag-acid ako, be.
Talaga.
I think from the coffee. I have to stop muna. Everyday ako nagka-coffee.
Really? I love coffee.
I know.
I had coffee and Coke Zero. Love it.
Sana all.
Eh kasi when I'm playing, I just crave sweet. It's the best. It's probably not the best thing.
Dapat nga hindi ako nagkape today kasi pupunta tayong Waco, di ba? Sana doon ako nag-coffee. Kakainis. Sarap pa naman ng kape. Nasukli. Nasundo na namin yung mga bata at eto na, papunta kami sa UP Town kasi si King meron siyang mga huling mga gustong bilhin dito bago siya umuwi sa Australia. So pagbibigyan natin siya ngayon. Iniwan na namin siya dun kanina para magtingin-tingin habang inaantay namin yung uwian ni Mimi. So eto na, we are here sa Ballet. Di ba, Mims? How's school, Mims? Walang sagot. Okay, we are here.
You always make me feel like okay, you never leave my thoughts alone, yeah, you're the reason I'm going out my mind. I just can't stop thinking about you. Take it away, feeling too good to me. Chilling all day, all in your space is where I wanna be. Here in this room, what did you do? I just can't get enough. Too caught up in your love. I've been trying to forget, but you won't let me. Something in my brain wants you. I've been hanging by myself. asking for help, but nothing seems to work on.
Hi mga Zoobs! Good morning! Yan, medyo maga pa yung face natin kasi umaga pa. Nakapasok na, excuse me, nakapasok na yung mga bata sa school. And kami naman ngayon ni Andy ay ready na for pickleball. Si King, last day niya today. Flight niya mamayang gabi, kaya dadalhin muna siya ni Tita Lenya sa Green Hills dahil may gusto siyang bilhin doon. Doon lang daw meron. Eh wala na akong time pumuntang Green Hills dahil today medyo maaga ang uwi ni Aliyah. Kasi alam niyo ba, tomorrow meron siyang first Holy Communion. So puro rehearsal lang sila for this past week. Kaya maaga yung uwian niya. And pagka uwi ng mga bata, sabay-sabay kaming maghahatid sa kanya sa airport. Kaya for now, alis muna kami. Punta na kami sa Picabo habang may time at maaga pa. Let's go. On the way na kami mga Zoobs at nandito na kami sa kotse. Anyway, yan. Galing natin 4 straight days. Actually 5 kasi kasama yung Sunday na nag-trial tayo. Every morning. Aga
Puro
namin.
morning, no?
Tomorrow, gabi tayo kasi yun yung
I guess at least
weekend.
iba yung tao din kasi syempre every time you join a different time slot, iba yung players.
Correct.
Tuesday, magaling sila, no? Tuesday.
Hindi, sinabi naman sa atin talaga na every Tuesday, iba yung crowd doon. Isipin mo, punong-puno, di ba?
Tapos, actually Sunday, there was quite a few good players as well.
So, ayan. Wala kasi tayong phone lang gamit.
See my red spot.
Bakit? Ano ka?
I shave kasi.
Nag-shave ka.
So it's just getting so...
Itchy.
That's what's happening, guys. We're not taking care of ourselves now that we're playing pickleball. Forgot to shave, forgot to cut my hair. Kasi
Yung
parang
finger
oras.
toenails ko, parang nag-crack. So ngayon
My
masakit
toenail
siya.
already crack on my left foot.
Kasi nagda-dry. Parang traffic ngayon. Ngayon guys, yata yung nasa Reno. So baka lahat sila naiwas doon sa kabilang side. Ito sila napunta.
We have to check later because King's flight is later, so don't know what time we should be leaving.
Ang bilis lang.
Yeah, I know. I felt like I was only here for a week.
Oo. Maalis na siya. Ang iiyak na naman si Mimi. Kasama kami sa paghatid eh. Actually maganda tong flight na nakuha natin para sa kanya kasi at least matutulog
late.
lang siya.
Usually it's not that late. 9.
Oo nga, meron na. Kasi dati wala namang ganitong flight.
Baka nadagdag. Maybe.
Traffic light. We are done with stretching. So, makapag-start na tayo ng ating game. Ay, hindi natin nagdala yung selfie stick. Ano tayo? Good game. Tapos na kami. And kailangan na namin magmadali. Punta kami susunduin si Lele. Hi guys! Papunta na kami ngayon sa Waco. Na-pick up na namin si Aliyah. Ayun o. Yan lang pwede. Imimit na namin doon si King. Galing na silang Green Hills ni Tita Len. While waiting kay Mimi, doon na kami magla-lunch at magpapalipas ng oras. We'll pick up Mimi and then we'll go home, get King's luggage, and then go to the airport no. Iiyak ka, Lele?
No.
Bakit? Hindi iyakin si Lele, more on
Mimi
si
for
Mimi. Mamimiss mo si King?
Yeah.
Of course. Ayan, kami ni Andy kanina, nagpark lang kami sa gas station. Doon kami lunch actually, more on pika-pika. Ako, order lang ako ng, hindi pala tayo pwede mag-dessert. We are on no sugar diet nga pala. I'm drinking to get
fairness.
coffee.
Oh, but because every time I crave something, I just have Coke Zero.
Okay. We'll see later. Kasi meron akong sinigang for you dito, Lele. Binili ko sa Tapaking. You want that instead later? Kain ka quickly when we get Coco's luggage. Hindi, may sabaw kasi to eh. Ibababa ko na lang. Tignan natin baka pwede. May rice na din to eh. Okay. Mazoops! On the way na kami sa airport. Mga borlogs na tong mga to. Kaya wag na tayo masyadong maingay. Hi King! Are you ready to go home?
Yeah. No.
Ayan, nag-skyway na kami. Para walang traffic. Buti na lang. Ganda ng skyway. Pero at least yung bababaan natin, ano na, airport na agad.
Terminal we are.
One.
One is the one in. I know, no.
Ninoy Aquino, the old one. Mabay ka na. King, buksan mo ta. Mabay ka na kay Mimi.
Bye-bye. Antok po. Antok pa eh. Bye-bye.
Ikot ka dito sa kabila kay Lele.
Si Lele.
Bye, Mom.
O, ingat ka ha.
Take care
Text
yourself,
Daryl.